Hey everyone, today I've got an unbelievable story for you. Imagine opening a newspaper and seeing a birthday ad for a country's president, only to find it says, "May his soul rest in eternal peace." Yeah, you heard that right. This actually happened in Zimbabwe, so here's the scoop. The Financial Gazette, one of Zimbabwe's prominent newspapers, published a birthday ad for President Emmerson Mnangagwa's 82nd birthday. It was supposed to be a simple, congratulatory message, but somehow it ended with the phrase, "May his soul rest in eternal peace." How did this happen? Well, it turns out the Ministry of Defense and the Zimbabwean Army's Communications Department used an old condolence message template. As you can imagine, this blunder immediately sparked a media firestorm. Social media went wild, people were confused, and speculations started flying. Was this an innocent mistake or a sign of something more sinister? Now, President Mnangagwa, he's known for his strict stance on media and security. While he reportedly found the situation somewhat humorous behind closed doors, he didn't take it lightly. He called in top military and intelligence officials for a serious discussion. According to presidential spokesperson George Chiramba, Mnangagwa made it clear this was no small matter. Chiramba shared that Mnangagwa initially joked about sending a wreath to State House, but on a serious note, he emphasized the gravity of the error. The president even reminded them of his constitutional power to detain suspects for 7 days without court interference, though he decided not to exercise it this time. This isn't the first time Mnangagwa has had to deal with media-related issues. There have been previous incidents involving other media houses, but this one hit different. The nature of the mistake raised alarms within his administration, leading to increased scrutiny of media organizations. Chiramba stressed that while mistakes happen, this particular incident had broader implications. He called for better editorial oversight and emphasized the importance of swift corrections when errors occur. According to Chiramba, apologies are crucial for maintaining trust with both the public and political leaders. In the aftermath, Modus Media, the publisher of the Daily News, issued a formal apology to President Mnangagwa and the Zimbabwe Defense Forces. Representatives from Modus Media, along with the Daily News editor, met with Mnangagwa and other officials to personally apologize. The president accepted their apologies but noted the delicate relationship between the media and the government. This incident has also fueled further speculation about internal power struggles within Mnangagwa's administration, particularly regarding his relationship with Vice President Constantino Chiwenga. Some believe Chiwenga may be gaining influence, adding another layer of intrigue to the story. So what's the takeaway here? In the world of politics, even a small mistake can escalate into a significant issue. It's a reminder of the delicate balance between media and government and the importance of accuracy in communication. That's all for today. If you found this story interesting, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates. Until next time, stay informed.